Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Arknights Endfield game not launching, won't launch or launching failed problem on PC. So here follow the fixes. So the first fix is to simply restart your PC. Just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2, run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this three dot next to the Arknights Endfield game and then click on manage, and next to installation click on this folder icon. This will open the game installation folder. Now double click this launcher exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then open the games folder, open Endfield game folder. Now here look for the Endfield exe file. Here it is. Double click it and try to launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From here select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then untick all these three boxes and hit apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. You can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games launcher, click on this three dot next to the Arknights Endfield game and then click on manage. Then toggle on the launch options and here type -DX11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to the game manage and in the launch options type -DX12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the manage, remove this launch options, toggle off the launch options and then just launch the game. Click yes to allow. It will open the Endfield launcher. Now here below the play button you will see this option, launch with DirectX 11, use if the game encounters issues. So check mark this option and then click on play and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 4 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view and then click on download. Now once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next, and then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Now click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder wherever your game has been installed. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games, open Arknights Endfield folder. First select this launcher exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps. Now open the games folder, open Endfield game folder. Now look for the Endfield exe file, select it and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Arknights Endfield folder, select launcher, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark. Then again click on allow another app, click on browse, open games folder, open Endfield game folder, select Endfield exe file and then click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is tick mark and then click on OK to save changes. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, Avicii, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 6 is to run the game on dedicated graphics card driver. So in Windows search, type graphics settings and open it. Then click on add desktop app. Now go to the game installation folder, open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Arknights Endfield folder, open games folder, open Endfield game folder, select Endfield exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it, expand it and then next to GPU preference, select high performance. Then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games launcher, click on this 3 dot next to the Arknights Endfield games, click on manage and then next to verify files, click on verify and after the verification has been done, go ahead, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then click on launch, click yes to allow. It will open the Endfield launcher. Next to play button, click on this 3 horizontal line and then click on check game integrity. Now please take a note, it will scan for the missing and corrupted files. This repair process may take some time. So click on start checking and after the verification or repair has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8, install Visual C++ files. So go to this website. It is a Microsoft website. Link is given in my video description. And once you're on this website, scroll down and download both x64 and x86 version. Download both the version. First click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC once, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to delete Arknights Endfield save data. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress as well as save settings. So keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete it. Open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view, so and check mark hidden items. Then open app data folder. Now open local low folder. Now open the graph line folder. Here you will see this Endfield game folder. First right click on it, copy it, go to desktop, paste it to keep the backup. And after keeping the backup, right click on it and then select delete to delete it. Now go back, open the roaming folder, open the graph line folder. Now here you will see this random alphanumeric folder. Right click on it and select delete to delete it. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 10, disable overlay. So disable Discord overlay, launch Discord on your PC, then click on gear icon in the app bottom left corner, click on game overlay on the left panel and then toggle off the enable in-game overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay, open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadow Play overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to close the conflicting or unnecessary program. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, SW Info, Razer Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 12 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now After following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the Arknights Endfield game. So simply uninstall the Arknights Endfield game, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily fix Arknights Endfield game not launching, won't launch or launching failed problem on PC. So that's all for this video.